If you're thinking about upgrading your iPhone in 2025, you're in the right place. With the iPhone 16 series and other great models still in the game, it's time to break down which iPhone is the best for you. From budget-friendly options to the ultimate powerhouse, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. iPhone 16 series, what's new? iPhone 16 lineup displayed. Apple has once again raised the bar with the iPhone 16 series. Here's what's exciting this year. iPhone 16, 16 Plus, bigger batteries, better cameras, and a new A18 chip for smoother performance. iPhone 16 Pro Max, the game changers, expect a periscope zoom camera, 120Hz promotion display, and better AI-powered features. New capture button, a dedicated button for instant photos and video recording. These are the most advanced iPhones yet, but should you upgrade? Let's talk about the best choices based on your needs. Best iPhone for power users, iPhone 16 Pro Max rotating. If you're all about the best tech, gaming, and pro-level photography, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is for you. A18 Pro chip, unmatched speed and power. Periscope zoom camera, 5x optical zoom for pro photography. Biggest battery life, all-day performance. But if you want similar power in a smaller size, the iPhone 16 Pro is a great alternative. Best iPhone for everyday users, iPhone 16 and 16 Plus shown in different colors. Not everyone needs a Pro model, and that's where the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus shine. Same at 18 chip, smooth and fast performance. Improved camera system, better low light and portrait shots. Larger battery in 16 Plus, more hours of use. These are the best value for money iPhones in 2025. Best budget iPhone. iPhone 15 and iPhone SE 2023 displayed. Looking for an iPhone without breaking the bank? These are your best options. iPhone 15, still powerful with the A16 chip, dynamic island, and a solid camera. iPhone SE 2023, classic design with Touch ID but powered by the A15 chip. If you're switching to iPhone for the first time, the iPhone 15 is a great entry point. Final verdict, best pick. Side-by-side comparison of all iPhones. Alright, so which one should you buy? Here's my final recommendation. Best overall iPhone 16, balanced performance and price. Best for pro users, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Best budget option, iPhone 15. No matter which iPhone you choose, Apple has something for everyone this year. Which one is your pick? Let me know in the comments.